Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to make a Valentine's Day dessert. And this is what's jumping in my pot: chocolate ganache cake. These are the ingredients I will be using today: unsalted butter, granulated sugar, chocolate syrup, eggs, heavy cream, self-rising flour, and semi-sweet chocolate bits. And I also have a cake pan here that I oiled and floured. Now let's make the cake. I have a bowl here to mix it in. And we're going to add the butter, the sugar, I have a hand mixer, Now we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Now we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now we add the flour. Okay. Now the next step is we're going to add the chocolate syrup. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. We mix this up. I have the oven set to 350 degrees. I went ahead and poured the cake batter into the pan. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. Now let's make the chocolate ganache. These are the ingredients I will be using: heavy cream, semi-sweet chocolate bits, and unsalted butter. And I have a sauce pot here. I'm going to turn it on low. I'm going to add the cream. You want the cream not to boil, just slightly simmer a bit. You don't want it to get really hot. So we let it simmer here for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to pour the heavy cream over the chocolate bits. And we stir it, keep stirring it. Then I'm going to add some unsalted butter. I've taken the cake out of the pan and it has cooled. Now, let's put the ganache on top. Look at the ganache jumping all down the cake. Here you have it, chocolate ganache cake. Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.